Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Today, I will show you how to enable full screen album art on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. This new feature is launched with iOS 16, so make sure to update your iPhone to the latest version if you haven't done so yet to update to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, select General and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Now open any music streaming platform of your preference. It could be either Apple Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, or SoundCloud, among others. For this video, I will use Spotify. Next, choose any song from your playlist and access your lock screen. From there, simply tap on the album picture beside the song to expand the display in full screen. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.